Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Simply Trisha. So I got a new camera, and so this is the end result of my stretched out, twist out. My hair stretched, twist out. So I'm literally gonna be going to the gym with makeup on. I might take the makeup off, I don't know. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my ring off. And generally the bigger you do the twist, the bigger the curls come out. And okay, so I almost forgot. I used the same olive oil, Kroger brand, whatever brand you decide to use. I'm just olive oil. You see the little frizz at the top? I don't care about that. It doesn't have to be perfect, like I said. You know, it's not hard. You start at the ends, but I usually don't follow the rules, you know. I just don't. But you need to start at the ends and work your way up. But once you've done it a lot of times, you'll see that you can start working a lot faster. So right now it's looking fluffy at the top. And let me undo this last twist. Excuse me, y'all. And you can do shake to loosen it too, as well. Just need it to come apart. Ooh, my hair. Okay, come on. I'm almost done. Like, I'm getting close because this, like this, they'll loosen as the day goes on. The curls will drop more. I'm gonna just shake it. Subtle. Okay. Now do like that. I use my hands. Do now. Fluff it out some more. Let me go back. All right. Where's my thing? That on my head, so I'm gonna put that back on there because I like having some kind of band. And this is to the side how it's looking. So I'm still not separated. So you just go separate it to the side. It's to the on the other side. And I just keep separated over time. So, all right, that's it. That's how it came out. Hope y'all like it. I like it. It's, I'm gonna show you all. All right, so this is my stretched out, twist out. Hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Comment below and let me know if you are interested in any other styles. And also like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day, y'all. Later.